Alright, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make, it's a green smoothie. My wife found this from Reece Witherspoon, and I make this for her every morning. It's really good, really filling, and it helps give you those vitamins that you need. That's what we're going to do with our vegetable for dinner tonight. So all you need for it is a head of romaine. You just cut the end off, just like that, and then you cut it up. One whole apple, one lemon. You'll use most of the, or actually you'll cut most of the rind off, but I like having some of the zest in there, and I'll show you how I cut that. A pear, thing of coconut water, and spinach. So I'll cut all this stuff up, throw it in the blender, and I'll show you how I do the lemon. Alrighty, so showing you right here, I've got a nice sharp knife. So I'm cutting some of the zest off. You don't want any of the white. The white part makes it kind of bitter, but adding the zest makes really good flavor. And not to mention, the peel is actually where most of the nutrients are in citrus fruit. So. Alrighty, so I got all the stuff in there. Got a handful of spinach in there, that head of romaine, the whole apple. Cut up all the fruit so that it'll blend a lot easier. And then I got it into a glass. Oh yeah, that's good. Believe it or not, it tastes really good.